Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to create an account at VHL. This is what we're going to be using. So VHLcentral.com, you type in VHLcentral.com and it's going to take you to this website, and right here it says create an account. So the username, you can use any username, but I'm going to use a student's ID, and then the email. Again, you can use any email, or you can use the school email. And then the password, you can use your 6-digit birthday as you do when you log into Schoology. But you can create whatever it is that you want. So you type the password. Okay, and then you put your name, first name, last name, and then select year. I'm just going to put any year. The year you were born, and I'll put 2000. Birth year, and then the secret question. And what is your maternal grandmother's maiden name? I don't know, I'm just going to use what is the name of your pet, or your first pet. Zach, and then you don't have to click on all these. And then you hit continue, and you look to see everything was fine. Okay, then create an account. You agree. Okay, now here you're gonna have to find the school. This school, high school. So you put Rio Hondo High School, and then search for it. So you have right here Rio Hondo High School, and then select. Okay, now here you're gonna have to register for these two books. These are the two books that we're gonna be using. So you hit 1, and then you need to find your period. What period do you belong to? So I'm gonna put I'll put this period, and then you hit at the bottom enroll. Okay, keep in mind there's two books. So you hit enroll, and see that's one of them. So you can go back, and then you hit enroll to the other one. Remember, I just hit the back button and enroll to the other book, and then you look what class period do you belong to. And I think I put this one, and then you hit enroll. Okay, so now you have the both of these books. Okay, so these are the two books that are available, and that's how you logged in to well, that's how you create an account in VHL Central. Okay, make sure you create one because this is what we're going to be using. Okay, thank you.